Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this look that you see right here. मैंने Colourpop का आई शेडो पैलेट यूज़ किया जो मैंने I think recent haul video में दिखाया था. So let's just get started with today's video. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So yeah, let's just start. सबसे पहले मैंने ये Maybelline का BB Skin Pore Eraser Primer यूज़ किया है. Very lightly applied it all over my face, and then Maybelline की Superstay foundation. This is 24 hours long wear matte full coverage foundation. I have applied that, and उसके बाद में I'm just moving on to color correcting. You don't have to color correct अगर आपके बहुत ज़्यादा dark circles नहीं हैं जैसे मेरे हैं, but if you have you will need to. और उसके बाद मैंने Wet n Wild का कंसीलर यूज़ किया है, माई फेवरेट दीज डेज, काफ़ी दिनों से यूज़ कर रही हूँ मैं इसे. आई लाइक दिस वन. एंड देन LA गर्ल प्रो कंसीलर, मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन कंसीलर, ऑल ऑफ देम आर गुड. एंड उसी पैलेट से जिससे मैंने कलर करेक्टर यूज़ किया था, उसका जो डार्केस्ट शेड है, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दैट फॉर contouring my nose, my cheeks, forehead, jawline, and then I'm going to start blending the concealer. I like to let my concealer stay in place for like a good minute or so that उसका pigmentation थोड़ा और intense हो जाए. My dark circles are so bad, so I want them to get the maximum coverage out of my concealer. मैंने ये YC blender का mini blender आता है, I'm using that. And here techniques की brush से I'm using this contour brush to kind of blend my contour. You can do this with the blender also. मेरे सामने ये brush है, so I'm just using that. So forehead पे I'm just blending it towards my hairline more. And I'm just going to set the contour with the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. आप कोई भी bronzer use कर सकते हैं, but just add a little bit more. Also because it is winter time, so you need to add a little bit more bronzer to give a little tan effect, because naturally you don't tan as much. And then मैं ये blush use कर रही हूँ NYX से. I think this is called Dusty Rose. I think yeah, that is what it is. And then I'm using this Master Chrome का Rose Gold highlighter. It is very intense, but I would say it has obviously a little bit tinge of a pink color in it. So whenever I'm using pink eyeshadows or purple eyeshadows, I prefer this particular highlighter. Anastasia ka Dipbrow Pomade in Ebony. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows using that. You can use eyeliner pencil or any other pomade that you like. I'm using this one to fill in my eyebrows, and let's move on to the eye makeup. I'm using this Ooh La La palette from Colourpop. मैंने middle shade लिया है to on the YC brush. This brush like just blends everything so nicely. And YC की ही ये domed crease brush पे मैंने थोड़ा सा darker pink shade लिया है. This one, and now I'm just going to intensify the purple color on the inner and outer corner using a smaller brush. और makeup की makeup revolution का ये liquid highlighter है, उसको मैं as a base use कर रही हूँ to cut my crease. It is very blended look, तो ऐसे बहुत harsh cut crease नहीं है. और ये थोड़ा सा shimmery glitter effect वाला eyeshadow मैंने लगाया है, and then I'm going back with the purple eyeshadow on the inner and outer corner, तो अच्छे से सब colors blend हो जाएंगे. And then using the same eyeshadows on the lower lash line also. First वो light pink था, then the purple, and again like just on the center part of the lower lash line I'm using the light shimmery color. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and then I'm using this YC lashes in Millie. And बस जो inner corner पे है वहाँ पर और lower lash line पे मैं black eyeliner लगा रही हूँ. And I'm also going to tight line. As you can, this is called tight lining, so that lashes के बीच में भी कोई space नहीं बचे and everything is nice and black. ताकि lash line और thick लगती है इससे. And when the eyeliner is still wet, एक smudger brush है, this is also from YC, उसकी smudger brush से I just smudged the black eyeliner a little bit. And I'm using this golden shimmery shade from the palette to highlight my inner corner and eyebrows. Moving on, I'm just using this brown lip liner and मैंने lippy stick use की है color ladies as my lipstick. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.